In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 5 JBL. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have JBL headphones and you want to connect them to your PlayStation 5 over Bluetooth, you can get this done. However, for whatever reason, even as of today, the PlayStation 5 does not support Bluetooth audio accessories natively, so you will need to purchase an adapter to get this done. There is an alternative that I'm going to be talking about later on in this video. If you don't want to use an adapter, but if you want to connect them directly to the PlayStation 5, you need to purchase a Bluetooth adapter for PlayStation 5. So I chose this one from Ugreen, for example, because it has a lot of good reviews and it is reliable. It is available for $20 roughly on Amazon, and you will be able to purchase it to establish this connection. Alternatively, you can look for Bluetooth adapters from other brands. As long as they have a good amount of reviews and they are compatible with PlayStation 5 consoles, you will be able to get this done. So, to establish a connection, first plug it into any of the available USB ports on your console. So look for USB-C port. If your specific adapter also includes a 3.5 connector, it is going to go into the controller and it is primarily used for the microphone, so that one is optional. The most important one is the USB adapter itself. Now, press and hold the button at the back of this adapter to enable pairing mode, and you should do the same with your JBL headphones. Usually, they will go into pairing mode immediately upon pairing them on, so if they are powered off and you power them on, pairing mode will be enabled, or you might have to press a specific combination of buttons like a dedicated Bluetooth button or the power button alongside others. Just check the manual for your particular JBL headphones model. And once you have both in pairing mode, the adapter will automatically find and connect itself to the JBL headphones. Now, if you go into the settings of your PlayStation 5, you go into Sound, Audio Output, you will see it listed under the output devices. And as long as you choose it as the default audio device, it is going to be used wirelessly. Now, the alternative, if you don't want to purchase an adapter, is going to be connecting the JBL headphones to a TV. So most smart TVs will have Bluetooth capabilities, and instead of connecting it to the PlayStation 5, you could connect it to your TV over Bluetooth. And if the audio from the PlayStation 5 is going over to the TV, it is essentially going to go into the JBL headphones as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 5 JBL. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.